Hey everyone, the Eazeye Paper 2.0 is an innovative Android tablet that redefines how digital screens handle light, combining the best aspects of LCD and e-ink technologies into one device. Instead of relying on traditional backlighting, it uses a reflective LCD, or rLCD, that reflects ambient light to illuminate the screen. This design not only provides the visual clarity needed for reading and content viewing under bright sunlight, but also allows for smooth playback of videos and animations in full color, something that pure e-ink displays still struggle to achieve. Eazeye's approach with the Paper 2.0 is centered on eye comfort and energy efficiency. By reflecting natural light rather than emitting it, the display mimics the visual qualities of paper, reducing glare and eye strain. This makes it an ideal device for long reading or note-taking sessions. Yet, unlike monochrome e-paper devices, it can display millions of colors and handle standard Android applications with ease. When ambient light isn't available, the tablet's integrated front lighting system ensures that users can continue working or reading comfortably at night. The display itself measures 10.3 inches with a resolution of 1920 by 1440 and a refresh rate of 60 Hz. It's large enough for productive multitasking, sketching, or consuming multimedia, while maintaining the low reflective, matte look of printed material. The overall visual experience feels natural and soothing, especially compared to conventional backlit tablets that can be harsh on the eyes during long use. Under the hood, the Paper 2.0 runs on the Helio G99 chipset, a capable mid-range processor featuring 2 high-performance Cortex-A 76 cores and 6 power-efficient Cortex-A 55 cores. It's paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of internal storage, which can be expanded via microSD card. This setup won't rival the power of flagship tablets, but it's more than sufficient for reading, web browsing, video playback, digital art, and typical Android productivity apps. Eazeye's custom operating system, Eazeye OS, is based on Android 14, providing full access to Google Play apps while optimizing performance and battery life for their reflective display. The software is tuned to take advantage of the tablet's unique visual characteristics, balancing responsiveness with energy conservation. Powering the Paper 2.0 is a 6,000 mAh battery housed within an 8.4 millimeters thick chassis. While that capacity might seem modest by modern tablet standards, the energy-efficient rLCD screen dramatically extends its runtime. Eazeye claims up to 15 hours of use with the front light on, and an impressive 67 hours when relying solely on ambient light. This makes the Paper 2.0 a reliable companion for extended trips or work sessions without frequent recharging. Pre-orders for the Eazeye Paper 2.0 are already open through the company's online store, with deliveries expected to begin in April 2026. The pre-order bundle is priced at $379 and includes the tablet itself, a protective case, and a stylus, along with shipping, customs fees, and import taxes already factored into the price. Overall, the Eazeye Paper 2.0 represents a thoughtful evolution of display technology. It delivers the comfort of paper-like reading while maintaining the responsiveness and versatility of a full-color Android tablet. Though it doesn't compete with flagship models in raw performance, it excels in offering a uniquely comfortable, power-efficient, and environmentally adaptive visual experience that sets it apart from anything else on the market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day and God bless you.